Okay, 2002 Cadillac Seville, STS, SLS, whatever. I got an SLS. Heater motor, AC motor. Put a new AC motor in it. A lot of air was coming, it wasn't blowing air right. Come to find out, there's a little foam seal that goes around this housing that forms a seal, of course, because the screws won't do it themselves. I didn't do this, but I come in here and thought I'd be slick and super glue this seal around here. I didn't know if it went on the very edge of the housing. It looked like there was an indentation right here for it to run in the housing. So that's kind of where I went off of. I put it inside it. Well, I ran out of foam. There's a little piece. I thought I'd see a little piece hanging down in my car, so I'll run out here and get it so I can finish it. I want to show you where I messed up at. Hopefully the next person won't mess it up. This foam actually goes, let me bring my flashlight, up in this part. There's a little ring inside this housing that this fits in. See this? Okay, and it goes all the way around your housing. So what you need to do is put it on the housing before you put the motor in. Then you don't gotta worry about nothing. You don't worry about it falling. I super glued it because it kept falling down and wasn't getting in the right spot every time. Let me get a flashlight so I can show you better. This has been hell. It ain't been as hard. I mean, it's fact, you know, it's a $300 job at the shop. I did it myself, trial and error. But what you'll want to do is put your seal. See it right there? There's a rail. Already run for it. Right there. And you'll put your foam seal in there. It'll go up and go all the way around the housing. It'll go all the way around it. It'll stop right about there. Now what I've done is I've put it on my motor and I hope it lines up. I'm gonna go to the junkyard and hope somebody's tore a motor out. Try to find some more of that to shove in there too, might as well. What I'm doing is I've took my AC control module out, which is behind this. I've done took it off. But here's a word of advice. If you know you have to take your fan motor out and you know you need a new resistor, let's just say the whole thing's shot. When you take that resistor out, take your fan off. Don't do it first. Take your glove box out, unbolt this. This will move around. This will go anywhere you want, see it's loose. You can push it down, take your resistor off, push it back up, then your fan motor will slide right off. If you try to put that fan motor in or out with this still attached to this, you take a good chance on fucking some of these wires up or messing. It's a pain in the ass. So take your glove box out, take that resistor off, it's one bolt. Take these two nuts off, push this up, it'll fall down. And then put your foam in there, don't be like me.